Kit wants to know what I got from Stitch Fix too. Guess what time it is? Stitch Fix. All right, nosy. So if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, where you been? Stitch Fix is a clothing styling service, and it's a $20 styling fee, although I pay $49 a year and can get as many fixes as I want. So, but they send you 5 pieces. They'll send you a preview and you can pick some, but I missed that somehow, so it's all a surprise to me. And then there's a free return envelope. Shipping's free both ways. So, and then you get, like, I don't want to look at these. These are little styling cards, and then here's a little thing from your stylist. I don't want to read that. I kind of want to know what I'm getting. It's from Alyssa. I think she's my same one I had last time. It's my return bag. And then the dreaded price sheet. And here is my burrito bundle, or whatever you want to call it. They're all soft. They feel like all shirts, so I don't know. They look like all shirts, so we shall see. Nosies over here. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Okay, let's see. Here it is. This is super soft. It's a, oops, goes this way. It's a tank top with a, oh, it's on this side. It's a pocket. I know it seems like still summery, but we still have a couple more months of hot weather here in Texas, and these are coming out of Texas, so they know. It's been 105 or more for weeks. Here is, this one's, I've got one, well, this isn't it, but I've got one very similar to this in a different color with this pleating on it. I like a V-neck or a split neck. Color's not bad, so we shall see. I'll look up the prices for you in a minute. We'll go through them all. Okay, this has a tie at the bottom, it looks like. Some of those are okay, and some of them it pulls up too much and shows your tummy. So let's see, it's got like a knot there at the bottom, but I like black with a white stripe. And it's got scoop neck. I don't wear green too much, so I'm not loving this one. It's a sleeveless one also. I'm just not loving the color or the flowers on it. Green and pink. Yeah. We'll see. We'll try it on. And last but not least, I guess they are all tops. I like this one. This is the front, but then look at the back. The back's got little, maybe snaps or buttons or something all down the back. They're buttons, but they're little metal buttons. So this one's cute. Alrighty. So let me look at prices, and then we'll try them all on. What did I do with the price sheet? Here it is. Okay, what do we got here? So this one is Market and Spruce, back button, purple, $46. And I have a $45 or $49 credit for my yearly fee, so I could get that one basically free. This green one is Paper Moon, $34, but I'm not loving it. This guess they're calling this dark pink. This is Daniel Rain, $54. Ugh, yeah, no. Don't like it that well. It is nice. Usually Daniel Rain's more silky and this is more soft cottony, so I like that. This gray one is $34. I like that. And this tank top is $30. So, let's try these all on. Oh, it was Market and Spruce was the tank top and the gray one was Nine Britain. So if I got everything, the Stylist Picks total $198. The buy all discounts $49.50, which comes down to $148.50, but minus my $49 styling fee that you get back if you buy anything, it comes down to $99.50 if I bought everything. But I'm probably not gonna buy everything because I don't like everything, and B, I don't want to spend that much money because I still have a Wee Blessings on the way, and I really need to buy at least one thing from them because that's why they quit sending them to me, because I quit buying stuff from them. So I really need to buy at least one thing from them this time or they'll quit sending them to me. So all right, let's try these babies on and see what we think. I like this purple one, but it's too clingy to the tummy. Which one is it? Market and Spruce, Braven, button back detail, purple 1X, $46. I like the purple color of it and it's super soft, but I don't like the way it clings to my belly. So we're not gonna do this one. Surprisingly, I like this one better than I thought I would. This is, I guess green looks okay on me. I wasn't sure it would. Don't hardly ever wear green. It is Paper Moons Trucker Split Neck Knit Top, dark green, 1X, $34. This one, it's okay, but it's not. This is the Daniel Rain one. It's $54, so it's not $54 okay to me. I liked it okay, but I don't like it that much. This one, I thought I would really like it, but I don't know what's going on with the front of it. It's weird. It's, I don't know if you can see it good on the video, but it's kind of, see how it, like, let me see if I can hold it so you can see it. Like, see if I can hold it up here. See how this part, I mean, it's a knot, but then this part's all sort of bulgy. It's just weird. See how it's all kind of bulgy there? I like it if it didn't have that knot in it. I don't know if you could take the knot out. Doesn't look like you can. It looks like it's sewn in like that. So that one's a no too. This one was okay too. It was the cheapest one. It was $30. It's really super soft. I don't know. I don't know. This one was Market and Spruce, Merit One Pocket Knit Tee, 1X, $30. This gray one was Nine Britain, Levy. It's not Levi, it's Levy. Knot front knit top, $34. I don't know. I'm just not loving any of them. And since you can get another fix right away, especially since I've got the, the season pass or whatever they call it, I might have them just send me some more because I'm just not loving any of these. Actually, the one I liked on me the best, surprisingly, was this one, which surprises me. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one somewhere behind me with a doggy laying on it, probably. Oh, it's on me. This has got cute little double sleeves. I just don't like the way it clung to my belly. Otherwise, I liked it because it's really soft. It's purple. I like the sleeves. It just clings to the belly too much. So tell me what you think. I'm thinking about sending them all back and asking for another fix. What do you think? So let me know. Now, since I'm not loving any of them, and it doesn't cost me nothing to get another fix, I'm seriously thinking about asking for another one. I don't know. It's already, I only get this quarterly and it's August, so maybe I should ask for a fall fix. You know, because they sent me the summer stuff because A, they're in Texas and they know it's freaking hot here still for another month or two. But I won't get another fix till, let's see, if I go September, October, November. It'll be mid to late November before I get the next one. So unless I do a turnaround and just get another one today. So let me know what you think. Should I send them all back? Should I keep any of them? Did you like any of them? I mean, I liked most of them one way or another, but there was just little stuff like this one I really liked. I just didn't like the way it clung. I liked the top half of the gray and white striped one. The knotted thing was laid weird on my tummy. I don't know. Don't really need a sleeveless one, and they sent me 2 sleeveless ones. And then the other one was $54, which is no. So anyway, let me know what you think. I don't know. I'll probably end up sending it all back, but you might convince me to keep one of them. Let me know what you think.